Hey there, homeowners! Are you looking to lower your monthly mortgage payment or save over the life of your loan? With the Federal Reserve's recent decision to lower the federal funds rate, now could be the perfect time to consider a rate and term refinance. This could mean replacing your existing mortgage with a new one that has a lower interest rate and a different loan duration. This could lead to a lower monthly payment, helping you build equity faster or even paying off your home sooner. Hi, I'm Shantanu, and I specialize in helping homeowners just like you navigate the rate and term refinance process. I'll be there to guide you from your initial application all the way to closing. Don't let your current mortgage hold you back. Visit my website today to see how much you could save with a new, lower rate. Your application could be just a few minutes away. Ready to get started? Visit go.shantanu.us/apply. That's go.shantanu.us/apply. NMLS 1677482.